Good morning, guys, and it is day 3 at Reykjavik, Germany, and we are going for a volcano hike. And guys, you see this? This is our bus which has come to pick us up for the volcano hike. If we are lucky enough, I will show you the active volcano. It's morning 7:38ish, and here it is quite a down here. See how the sky looks, isn't it?
देखिए फ्रेंड्स, ये जो आपको मेरी बस की विंडो से दिख रहा है, ये लावा का इरप्शन है जो कि ठंडा होकर रॉक्स बनी है। और रॉक्स के ऊपर ये जो ग्रीन ग्रीन है, इसको हम काई कहते हैं हिंदी में, और इंग्लिश में यहाँ पे इसको मॉस कहते हैं। और ये लोग इसको रिजर्व करके रखते हैं। वी आर नॉट अलाउड टू टच इट और डू एनी ग्राफिटी ऑन इट और पुट आवर फीट्स ऑन इट, because this is the only green thing they have.
Hello people, and this is our volcano, active volcano site. We are gonna start hiking. Destination, first stop, there that black thing is lava. My breath is breaking. And there guys, that would be our first stop. That and then that. How do you find it? This is him walking, that is our crew. We are walking towards our second stop. First I showed you. First was that, and the second would be this. Third is that. I will meet you on the second stop. Here we are on our second stop, and that's my coach. My breath is breaking guys. The black thing you see guys, वो सब पूरा लावा है, और almost जब से erupt हुआ है हिला नहीं है, so we can't be standing there. But probably that black is an old lava. We would walk on this and get there. Now we are coaching towards our third stop. That is that hill, and it is called as Summit. Why? Summit is the top, but it is an illusion. When we go there, we can see another hill, so it is called as Summit. Congratulations to me, and we reach our third stop, my first hike, and yay! I did it! Reaching the Summit. See how beautiful, how serene is this? It's amazing feeling, guys. Woohoo! Our last stop, our last destination called Summit. Let's come guys, that's our last stop from our crew captain. It is called as Summit, and that is the highest peak we are gonna achieve today. Let me show you how views are from that top. Hi guys, and I am walking towards my last stop, and it has been very, very tiring, exciting, mesmerizing, and it took us almost more than 1.5 hours to be here, and we've been walking sneak peeks, and there are downhill, uphill, everything, but it was amazing. Worth a visit guys. Wait for my video which shows how to visit Iceland on a budget. Guys, we have reached the highest peak of our volcano hike. How it feels, love? Amazing views. You wanna see the views? Guys, just check out. And the steam coming from there is the volcano, you know. It is amazing, serene feeling. You need to visit. You know what you need to do. Do like, share and comment. And for the details, you need to comment me, and I will get you the details to travel Iceland. Hello guys, and we are standing at lava. Show them how beautiful shape has lava formed, because it is in a liquid form, and when it solidifies, it dries up, it cools down, it forms such beautiful shapes, just like some sugar syrup or toffees, and this is the lava stone which will be bring to India. You can see that steam coming out from the cold lava. That means inside there is malted lava somewhere. Volcano hike comes to an end. Here we will split. Half of them will go to a lagoon, and us, we will go to more sightseeing. Come with me, guys. This is our group. We are done with our volcano hike. We'll be walking down now to that somewhere there. Our bus is parked and we'll be there. Meet you at bus. Guys, just check out the view. Isn't it fun? Gosh, this is the paradise on this earth, I guess. I bring you these scenes. Tell me, do you like them? See, there he is doing some photography, people out there. And it is said that it is on a Reykjavik peninsula. और यहाँ पे स्टोरी बोलते हैं locals कि इस लेक के अंदर एक monster है. Guys, see how big a lake it is. Also, every time you visit Iceland, it is not same because of the earthquakes and all. And it is said some years back there was an earthquake and this lake lost almost 20% of its water. So guys, we are gonna walk there. Do you see up there, people? We are gonna see this. Do you see the boiling spots? This is all hot burning water which is naturally coming because volcano eruption happens and this earthquake happens, and this geothermal spring just occurs. See guys, this is the biggest hot spring out here, geothermal. And see the sun. Can you see the sun? My god, the sun is setting, and it would set in like 2 minutes, I guess. And do you see that steam? And my husband is doing photography. He's crazy for photography, don't mind. Do you see that steam? That is the biggest geothermal spring out here. Hottest boiling water. ये कहा है दिल से मोहब्बत हो गई है तुमसे, मेरी जान मेरे दिल पर मेरा एतबार कर लो. So this is where we have come. It is tectonic plates of North of America. There is supposed to be this bridge which is increasing and falling apart every 2 centimeters every year. Why it is happening? Because of the tectonic plates eruption. It is, falling apart. Yeah. And it is a sightseeing where pictures are to be taken like this. You guys will probably see mine and my husband's picture like this, I hope. And this probably is the bridge which, connects North Iceland to North of America. So I'm standing here, and if I go that side, it would be North of America. North America! Cross this.
You go for 2 weeks, you rent the car, you drive on there.
Go back to from where I come. And it is Iceland.
I did want to do all the hiking events.
Follow me. Come to see another view site, which is hot spring, and it is originally called original Iceland, which is shit, but yeah. Welcome to this gigantic hot spring out here. Do you realize how big it is? All the landscape scenes. Guys, we are at last stop of ours today, named as Kettle. It is a seashore where sea has eroded some stones and made it a bathing point, wherein it is so cold out here, nobody baths in really open cold water. But yeah, we will see the wild sea. And guys, see, here we go. Can you just see this beautiful sea and these wild waves? See how the sea reacts, how beautiful is our nature. You wanna come in here, want to know the tips, how to come? Comment, I will get you the budget trip. Secrets of this trip and how you can plan it from India or anywhere in the world to Iceland. Do you guys see there? That is the place you can go sit and, you know, bath or something like that. And you know how these rocks have come up? So then molten lava which flows in, and the sea temperature is ice cold, and it pushes here, and it it just rubs or slaps lava, and then lava forms such structures which is later eroded and gives you this place. Super cool, small swimming pool kind feelings, just near the sea. Such a natural, it is serene. I have just no words to just show you guys how beautiful are these. If you love nature, mountains, it is the best thing. Guys, see this. Woohoo!